Hi guys, another rubber band powered car. Got an empty box here that I was just going to throw out. I thought, no, we'll give it a second life. We'll make a rubber band powered car out of it. I thought I'd try and do it without using hot glue. So I've used craft glue, which is acrylic glue. I've used that to glue these drinking straws on either end. What I need to do now is cut. Oh, I've also used it to seal down the edges as well, so that the flaps on the end are all sealed. What I'm going to do now is cut into here so we can get the axle, get in the middle of the axle and wrap the rubber band around it. I'm not sure which end to do it. For the sake of the video where I'll be trying to hit the camera, I think I'll cut the hole at this end and have it front wheel drive. So it will be coming towards you, but we'll cut the slot here, wrap the rubber band around it. The reason I want to do it at this end is the rubber band will come along the bottom and around the axle from the bottom, which actually means when it unwinds, it goes that way rather than the other way. So it will be front wheel drive, not rear wheel drive. Other than that, it's just your usual rubber band powered car. I've 3D printed some hubs for my CDs, but you can use bottle caps hot glued in place, or even just bits of cardboard with a hole punched in the middle. I happen to have a 3D printer, so I print these that clip in place and hold it fairly well. Those will go through there. They're 4mm knitting needles from Poundland. So I'll cut a slot in the middle there so we can actually wrap the rubber band around it. And that should work. So I just used my old kitchen knife that I use for melting things. I heat it up, that's why it's black. I've just used that to cut through the cardboard. And I've pushed that section back in. So we've got a nice wide area there to wrap the rubber band around. So I'll put the other wheels on. We need a bit of a hole at the back there so we can attach the rubber band round there. So it'll come up here, round there, and that should work. So I've made a bit of a hole there. See my finger going in. And a hole there. So we've got the rubber band going round. That's going to go around here, over there, wrap it round so it goes over itself. That holds it in place. Then we can just wind it up. And away we go. And I say this will be front wheel drive rather than rear wheel drive. Okay, that works. So that works, no problem at all. There's no significance in the box. I'm not being sponsored by anybody or anything like that. It just happens to be an empty cardboard box, the right sort of size. So cardboard box, paper drinking straws, 4 CDs for the wheels. I used 3D printed hubs, but you can use bottle caps or pieces of cardboard. And I used 4mm knitting needles from Poundland. Oh, and obviously some rubber bands, and I used acrylic glue to glue it all together. And a sharp knife to cut holes.